Two bullish calls on the auto sector today catching our eye. UBS upgrading General Motors to a buy from a neutral, upping the price target to $81 from $56. Analysts saying the company is well poised to manage tariff costs. Meanwhile, Tesla shares up nearly 4% for their highest close since December. Analysts at Wolfe Research saying Q3 could be a strong quarter for the EV maker with deliveries beating expectations. Of course, there's a race to use the last of the tax credits, and so that's going to potentially boost demand for the third quarter specifically.
Yeah, I agree with that. And I think that Tesla does have tailwinds going into year end. There's a little squishy month coming up, but it seems to have compensated for that with that September 30th deadline. If you look at GM and Ford, that to me is lower rates. People buy cars more. Have you shopped for? You don't drive, right?
I'm not sure. Why would I shop for a car?
Okay. So when you look to add a car, these interest rates are insane. Mm-hmm. So I have 4 kids, and when you look to actually replace cars, it's double what you paid from back 3 years ago. Now, granted, there's a lot of tariffs action that influence that price, but I'm talking about things that don't have any tariff effect whatsoever. The interest rates have dramatically made cars less affordable. Rates go lower, Ford and GM sell a ton more.
That's a major reason behind this upgrade here. Also, they're expecting North American margins to be between 8 to 10%, which is also pretty aggressive.
Really aggressive. I mean, it's a bold call. If they're right, because I think it was setting the street, the rest of the street at 6 to 6.5, that is a huge difference. It still wouldn't be expensive even if it met that target. I mean, the bold call on the margins, I don't own it, but it's not expensive. But I am concerned about the overall price of cars.
I'm with you. Inexpensive, super bold call, and the rollback of essentially like the regulatory and some of the regulatory and environmental protections. Yes, I think perhaps it's a short-term win, but I think it's a long-term loss. So.